Hello friends, Jai Shri Ram. This video is for those do-it-yourself people who want to do some electrical work at home. For them, the most important thing is wiring. This is a 3-core wire because it has 3 wires. I'll give another example. See, this kind of wire is called as a 3-core wire because it has 3 cores, means 3 internal wires. Okay, now I was really a little skeptical whether I'll get this kind of a good wire in the market, and then I purchased one from Amazon. So this is a 3-meter wire. It's 3-core, and the quality is even better than the quality that I was expecting. So look at my wire and look at this wire. So this wire is thicker, and as you can see, even the cores have more copper. I can see that. So I got a better quality wire, and that's why I'm giving the link to this wire in the video description so that you don't mess up purchasing the right wire. Because if the wire has more copper, then it does not melt, and then it can take up appliances requiring more electricity. For example, this is my dishwasher. It takes, let the camera zoom, it takes 10 to 16 ampere current. So if more amount of current is going to flow through the wire, then it has to be a little thicker. I already have this socket. I'm not doing anything to that socket, but I had another thing. This is my mirror, and this mirror also has a supply, and then it illuminates. This part illuminates. So for that, this is the cord, and there's a 3-core cord, and you can see that these cores are really thick, and I wanted something similar to this because I cannot give power to it when the socket is this far away. So I need a connecting wire somehow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this socket, or put this plug into that socket, and then from there this wire is only going to extend up to maybe here, and from here to there I'll be connecting it using a piece of this wire. This is a 3-meter wire. It came for 500 rupees on Amazon. They also gave me a complimentary electric tape. So this is an insulator tape. It is adhesive also, so it can you just have to stick it, that's it. Then I'll also highly recommend you to buy a pair of pliers. So pliers are used to remove the insulation from the wires and expose the wires like this. So some people do it with their teeth, but the proper way of doing is using this kind of pliers. You will also need this kind of a what do they call it, cutter or razor or knife, whatever they call it. So you need this kind of a thing, because this upper insulation, this outer insulation, the white insulation, that has to be taken out using something. So what I do is I cut it using this cutter, and then this cutter is extremely sharp, as you know, so it can cut your hands as well. So to protect my hands, I have this pair of gloves. So these are non-cuttable gloves. So even if your fingers wearing these gloves touch the blade, or the blade actually sinks into it, then also it cannot damage, it cannot get past these gloves. So they are a must-have if you're using something as sharp as this thing. Okay, and then finally, when you connect the wires, then after that, what do you do? So what I would say is, of course, you can tape it with that electric sealing tape, but even better thing would be to use something like this. So this comes in various diameters. Basically, let's say I cut a part of it and I put it in one of these wires and one of the similar wire of this one, and then I heat it from outside. So any heat gun is good for that. Heat gun is just like your the ladies use it to dry their hair, right? Hair dryer. So it is just a fancy version of hair dryer. What it does is this thing it shrinks with the heat. So when it is covering both the wires and when you shrink it, then it shrinks, and uh, it ties both of them together, both the wires together, and then they don't come off. And then they are insulated as well, because this is basically an insulator which can heat shrink. So all these things will be needed if you really want to do anything related to electricity at home. If you like this kind of videos, do let me know in the comment section. And until next time, this is Amit signing off. Jai Shri Ram. Thank you so much for seeing the video till the end. It does mean a lot to me. Could you also please see the video description? It has index, link to the study material, and also if I've shown any products in this video, then the purchase links to those products. The comment section is open for your suggestions and also for your doubts. I always answer to the first 100 comments on every single video. If you want to support my work, here's my QR code, or my UPI ID is amit.shirasao@UPI. Until next time, this is Amit signing off. Jai Shri Ram.